And see what you want to do, you want to lean on him and push him out. So he learns to get that pressure. You don't want to be trying to hit at him like that. Not in his, you're going to get to that point, but right now, and I don't like to do that chain collar either. That's bad.
I got another one.
That's bad.
Okay.
All that rope's got to do is hang around something and you'll jerk the shit out of it.
All right, he's on the other collar.
That's all right.
Come on, Gigi.
Get.
Don't ask me what he's doing.
Good boy. Now you see how that dog stepped over there? When as soon as he stepped over, I left him alone.
Good boy.
Out. Out. Good boy. Come on. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Okay. He wants to go to the wayside. I will let him go to the wayside. Well, maybe he'll change his mind.
He's going to
Go ahead.
be
Go ahead. Get a little enthusiasm, try to get the dog around him. You're as flat as the dog is.
Ooh.
I can't hear what you're saying.
Good.
I said get a little enthusiasm. Make a little noise, get a little enthusiasm. Reach over there and pat on them sheep. Dog's got
Come on.
potential.
Come on, Greg. Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
He's ready to do something wrong.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Huh.
I don't mean to be ugly. Wait, see, you keep taking, if the dog's starting around, you keep taking the sheep away from him. Let him come around. You understand?
Easier said than done.
Ah, you can
But
do
not
it.
if you
Come on.
walk. See,